Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Esplansia. If you're new to this channel, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, share this video with a friend, and yeah, let's keep growing as a family. So today's video is going to be my room decor haul video. Currently I am recording a room makeover video and I already posted part 1 and part 2 will be out in some days right after this video. So if you haven't seen part 1, please click the I right here and you see part 1 of my room makeover video. So yeah, let's get right into the video. Okay, so basically I was going for an abstract themed room. I wanted so much abstract art because I really love how they look. They make a room just look so different and so unique, so nice. So that's what I was going for. So I got some things that I want to show you guys that I feel will make my room look nice. And the first thing that I thought of was small details like candles and books. They're not actually books. Yeah, they look like books but they're not books. It's just cardboard, but I think they're okay because I'm not much of a reader. I don't read that much. I actually don't read. That's a bad thing, right? I got quite a couple of them, maybe like 9 or 10. I'm planning on putting them on a shelf because there's a shelf that I got and I feel they're going to make the room look nice. I got some scented candles and this is one of them. I have another one right there, but this one was actually a mistake, but I actually like how it came. Yeah, I think I picked the wrong color. I wanted white, but then blue came. I actually like it and it smells so nice. This is the other scented candle that I got. It looks so nice, guys. It's so bright. Like, I don't have curtains right now, so there's so much sunlight coming out from outside. Got this candle because I've been seeing it a lot in people's rooms and like on some house decor pages on Instagram. I've been seeing such candles or maybe flower pots, so I decided to get a candle and it smells nice, really. For my candles, I actually got them this lovely wooden stand. I don't know if I can call it a stand, plate, whatever it is, log. Yeah, let's just go with the plate. I actually got them this plate so I can put this maybe kind of like this. You see how I decorate it. I got this mini side table that I'm going to be putting some stuff on and I wanted the table to look nice, so I got this lovely statue on Pindodo and I really like it. I really love this. I hope I don't break it. I don't know if you guys can see what's going on here, but yeah, this is the lovely statue. I like it. I think you guys have seen it. Thinking of putting this cute thing on my side table. It really looks nice. I actually got a basket for it where I'm going to be putting it. Let me show you guys the basket. So this is the basket that I got. I feel this basket is really nice. Like, I love how it has these mini compartments. So you can put in some stuff. Maybe you can put a diffuser, a room diffuser, a statue here, and some stuff that you need. Maybe right by your bedside. You guys get right by your bedside, or maybe on the cupboard thing. I think I'll put it on the cupboard thing. Maybe it'll look nice. But I really like how this is. The material is so nice, and I feel it's going with what I'm going for. I don't know if that's the right English. Yeah. So this is the mini basket. I actually got another basket. Some of this stuff are still sealed because like I was just buying them and like putting them on top of my wardrobe. This is the little side tray that I got. I'm actually thinking of putting this tray on my bed with some cute stuff on it to make the bed look nice when I spread it. I was planning on putting a lamp on my side table and I bought this lamp. I'll put the picture here. I really love this lamp, but then I had so much problems with it, like so many complications with it. The first time I bought the lamp, they sent me a wrong lamp and it was broken. I think I still have a picture of that one. It was broken, so I actually got a refund for the lamp and decided to buy another one. So I bought the other one, like the same lamp from another store. I think it's another store, or is it? I don't know. I bought the same lamp, but then the seller goes like, no, they're out of stock, so they gave me a refund. Fine. Found the lamp again, bought it again, and I got a refund telling me it's out of stock. I decided to buy another lamp, which I really loved. It was so cute and I was so fine. I was just content with it. I was just like, okay, I'm sticking to this lamp. But then the lamp came and it was the wrong one. So I think I just gave up on it. But then this one is also cute, but it's not as nice as the one I liked the second time and the first time. But it's okay. I think I'm just going to go with it. So this is the lamp that I got. Actually didn't get it. This was the wrong lamp that they sent, but it's fine. I actually like it. It's cute, but it's not as cute as the one I wanted. I don't know if you guys like it. Comment down if you guys like this lamp. Moving on to the bed. I feel the bed is like the major attraction of a room, and I really want my bed to look nice. Most of the times, like, I pick out like dark colors for my bed. I've been using black, gray, blue for my bed, but now I decided to go with white. So my wall is white, my wardrobe is white, and my bed will be white. But maybe I'll change some things with the pillows. My pillows are just going to be a different color to just add some spice on the bed. Yeah, so I got these cute bed covers because, like, it's winter, guys. Winter is coming. It's not winter, but winter is coming, and I feel this winter is just going to be so cold. So I decided to get a different kind of like bed cover. What do you call it? Bed sheet. Yeah, bed sheet. It's like that very nice warm material. So I got some white bed covers, and they're just regular bed covers. They're just normal plain bed covers. And to top up on the bed, I actually got this lovely cute pillow. I actually got this color and a white one, so whichever matches on the bed, whichever looks better is what's going to go on the bed. The other one will go in some bin that I got. I'll show you guys the bin in a minute. So yeah, this is what I got, and some really 50 by 50 square pillows, which you have like some abstract themed pillowcases, which you guys will see in my room tour video. I'm planning on having some really lovely, nice, simple pictures, some abstract pictures. I'll show you guys the pictures. Okay, so these are the pictures that I got. I really love this one. It's set. If you want a link to these, I'll put them in the description box so that you guys can get them if you love them. And if you want them when you're in Zambia, just hit me up. I'll get them for you. I really like how simple and so matched up they are. Like, they blend in so well if you want to put them together. Yeah, and the color, the green. Speaking of the wall, there's some record discs. What do you call them? Disc tapes. I think they're discs that I bought. I really like these because, like, they symbolize something that I really love. I really love music, guys. Like, music is my number one. It always puts me in a good mood, I feel. Yeah. This is hard. How nice is this? Like, I think this is just going to transform the room to like something else. Like, I really love how this is looking. I actually have two of these. The other one is right up there, but this, just look at how it looks on the wall. I really don't have any makeup stuff that I can put in here, but I'm buying things in like bits, so I'll be putting some stuff in here. It opens like that. Not really so much makeup, just some stuff that I need for myself. Some lip gloss, some foundation here and there, concealer, eyeliner in there. I think this is cute for my desk. I'll put it right there by my desk side. This is going to like make my desk area look so nice. I really like how this is looking. It's so cute. I like how transparent it is because, like, you can see the stuff, and that makes everything, I don't know if you get, but you get. Now, still on my desk, just right above my mini makeup bag or my mini makeup kit, I'm going to put this lovely cute mirror. Hi guys. If you guys want this, I'll put the link in the description. If you guys want anything that I'm showing you in this video, I'll put the link in the description. And if you're in Zambia and you want to have some of these, you can just hit me up on Instagram. Another thing I got is this lovely round picture art. I really love the art on it. I really like such type of things, like even the color, the browns. I like brown stuff. I think on the wall it would look so nice. It's so small. I actually have a bigger one, so they're going to be like 2 of them. I don't know where I'm going to put them exactly, but we'll see where it'll look best. Okay, so now moving on, I got this lovely cute storage bin. I think I'm going to be putting some books maybe inside. I know you guys will like some books, but yeah, I'll show you how I'm going to put the books, or maybe some little cute stuffed animals, maybe putting them inside and just putting it on the floor to make it look nice, to make the room look nice. I feel it's really going to look nice. And maybe I can be putting some stuff here if I have some stuff. It's going to be on my other side of the bed, so this side is going to have, my right side is going to have the bedside drawer, my right side is going to have the bedside drawer, and my left side is going to have this. Yeah, so I can be putting some stuff here, maybe some scented candles. I don't know, I'll see what's going to fit and how I'm going to put some things in the room to make the room look good. It actually came in black, white and gold, but I actually decided to go for black because to be on the safe side. Yeah, I decided to get black and I really like how it looks. It actually opens, so if you want you can just leave it open and put some stuffed animals, a blanket. I think this is like my favorite detail of the room. Okay, so at sides, whatever I've got, and I actually got some plants. I feel plants make the room look nice. There's some plants that I got 2 some weeks before. One died, may it rest in peace, and the other one is still alive. After that one died, I actually decided to get one and I named it Lulu, right after my mom's name. And I got 3 more plants 2 days ago or 3 days ago. Lulu is still around, so I have Dante. My first plant is Dante, the one that survived, and I have Lulu, and I have 3 others which I haven't named. So you guys should like drop names that you think these plants should have. Guys, say hi to my plants. These are the plants that I have. I'm officially a plant lady now, so I have 5 plants to take care of. Actually 6. There's one that came in yesterday and I haven't yet put it in a flower pot, so I need to go and look for soil and actually go looking for soil. I have to go look for soil and put it in its flower pot. I think that's it for all the things that I wanted to show you guys. I have some more stuff, but I feel if I show you guys everything, my room tour video is going to be boring, so I'm just going to show you guys just a few of the things that I have, and you see the other things in my room tour. If you haven't seen part 1 of my room makeover video, I'll put the link right here in the eye so that you guys can check it out, and part 2 will be out in some few days, just right after this video. If you guys want any of the things that I was showing you in this video, I'll put the things in the description box, and if you're in Zambia and you really want this stuff, you can hit me up on Instagram. Feel free to like text me. I'll put my IG handle right here, or my Facebook handle. No, IG, Facebook. I don't usually use Facebook that much, but yeah, you'll find me on IG. I'll see you guys in my next video. I really hope you like this video. If you want any videos from me, you can just drop your video suggestions in the comment section so that I see what I can do. Yeah, so I'll see you guys in another video next time.